question from Spirit World about foundations that behave like they are good, yet they are not. If you are using the name of the one who is departed as making money to enhance lives of others, yet it is self-serving, are you not imprisoning that soul one more time? Are you not just the same as the very system that he was fighting, they were fighting? Have you stopped to think and feel what your purpose is? The gifts that you have, are they to enhance humanity? Are they to enhance your refrigerator and your closet and your cellar? Be happy, do what you gotta do, but be kind and be truthful. For whatever you do comes back to you. Stop hoarding souls. Stop asking people and telling people to rest in peace, yet every day you call upon them, demanding, wanting, taking more. If a man spends so many years imprisoned or in hunger, if a woman spends so many years walking the earth, planting and feeding, then you take that name and use it in vain. Are you not imprisoning that person over and over again? Think about it. We love you. Wake up.